chasing the screen, so you can all step back a bit. And you're welcome to film. You're good, sir. So you're facing the screen.
Me neither.
So back to the doors, face the screen.
Back up a little bit.
Oh, here we go. So we're rising up to the history of New York City. You're going to see the height in feet and the years going up as we go up, and the city developing around us all through the side. That's why I said that. It's going first because you're.
This thing is cool.
That was the first skyscraper,
This
basically.
thing is very strange. Oh, I love this elevator.
So if you look at the left side, the left-hand screen, you see all the skyscrapers starting to pop up in Midtown.
Brooklyn Bridge.
Yep, Brooklyn Bridge. Now, if everyone looks on the right-hand screens, here are the old
Ears
Twin
are
Towers.
popping. Look, there's
Where are the Twin Towers?
Manhattan Bridge.
They're here on the right side.
So we're almost on the top floor.
Welcome to One World Observatory.
Here we
I
are.
knew it.
How was that?
Great.
Whose ears had pop?
Mine.
Mine.
The nature cakes. A YouTuber did it.
Very hot. Perfect. We got everyone. Great.
Okay, everyone, welcome to the See Forever Theater. You're about to see a 3-minute presentation based in New York City, and you are allowed to take pictures or videos. All we ask is please do not use flash, okay? Enjoy.
Don't do it.
Dynamic, diverse, and ever-changing, the city and skyline reveal themselves uniquely to each observer. Experience the infinite facets of the city beneath us as you prepare to see forever. And now, we invite you to enter One World Observatory through the doors on your right, where a spectacular 360-degree view of the city awaits directly below you.
very solid.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
We're going to start by looking uptown and do full around. Let me just show you where we are. So right here, so originally here. So here you can see our 5 corners. So New York City was just, especially for our new guy here. So New York City was just down to Manhattan, and then we added the different parts to get all 5 boroughs. Over to the windows.
Oh, this place is
We ended right around 5. Okay. Want to talk? Have questions for you guys ask? But you can stay as long as you want, because I don't have a hard end. You have another appointment or something after this. You guys are good. Okay, because you can stay as late as you like, and we close at 9. We'll eventually make you leave, but you can stay as long as you want. You can see behind your right shoulder. You can see the up escalator right there. That'll bring you back up to the cafe. And there's the bar and the restaurant. Your tour has that $15 voucher that you can use upstairs for something to drink or something to eat at the cafe, or you can use it in the gift shop. Let's remember, across from us is New Jersey. And in the center is the Empire State Building. So the Empire State Building will stand behind me. The center of the Empire State Building is a major piece of great.
yeah.
Tallest building in the world in 1931. Behind the Empire State Building to the right, there's the through the island. Excuse me. The one around this Hudson Yard. The Empire State Building had the Golden Center Office in the center. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. We were looking at the round for the Empire State Building. So there's a little bit of Empire State Building to the left of it. Can you see a little tiny patch of green in between the skyscrapers? That little patch of green is all you can see of Central Park. Okay, that's all you can see of Central Park because it's covered up by the tall buildings at midtime. Then keep going to the left. Can you all see that red H&M, the big red H&M sign at the top of the building? No. Going up to the left of the Empire State Building, that red H&M. If you look to the left of that, you can see Times Square. Do you see that, ma'am? You can see the lights blinking, flashing of Times Square. If anyone doesn't see it, raise your hand and I'll show you using the tablet. You don't see it?
You see it, don't you? Do you not see it?
So wait, look behind me. So if you look behind me, so right there, that's Central Park is right there. Times Square is over here. Okay, underneath where that tallest of the super tall buildings are. Okay? So there's Times Square. In the distance of the George Washington Bridge connecting northern Manhattan into Washington.